In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom 2026. Quick and easy. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to speak without interrupting, the raise hand feature is the best way to do it. It lets the host know that you'd like to say something, and it helps keep meetings organized, especially in classes, team calls, or larger group discussions. To get started, join a Zoom meeting or start one yourself. Once you're inside the meeting, move your mouse on the screen to bring up the meeting controls. If you don't move your mouse, those controls may stay hidden, so this is an important first step. When the controls appear, look for the Reactions button and click it. This opens the panel where Zoom keeps simple meeting responses and participation tools. In that menu, click Raise Hand. As soon as you do that, Zoom will place a small raised hand icon next to your name. That lets everyone, especially the host, see that you'd like to participate. At the same time, the host will be notified that you've raised your hand. This is useful because it gives them a clear signal that you want to speak, without needing to unmute or talk over someone else. If you're in a formal meeting or webinar-style discussion, this can make communication much smoother. Once you've had your turn and you no longer need the raised hand, open Reactions again, then click Lower Hand to remove it. That clears the icon next to your name and lets the host know you're finished. If you want to do this even faster, Zoom also has a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Alt and Y at the same time. On Mac, press Option and Y. This shortcut is especially helpful if you're trying to respond quickly or you don't want to click through the menu during a busy meeting. In many cases, using the shortcut will toggle the feature, meaning it can raise or lower your hand depending on its current status. That's all there is to it. Join or start the meeting, show the controls, click Reactions, select Raise Hand, and then use Lower Hand when you're done. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference in keeping Zoom meetings respectful and easy to manage. And that's how to raise your hand in Zoom 2026.